Again, what invention fanned the flame of religious change during the Protestant Reformation? Is it A, movable type printing press, B, telescope, C, telephone, or D, cotton gin?
Iya na ito.
Movable